Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Reddy from Gadag. I have completed my BE in Mechanical from Agri College Lakshmishwar, and after completing my education I didn't got any chance to enter in a IT MNC company. After that I got to know about a Evision Technoservice. Evision Technoservice is a IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision I had joined the full day job internship under the guidance of IT managers and administrations. In Evision, I have learnt about networking, routing and switching, and Windows administration, Linux administration, and cyber security, cloud computing, and virtualization. In networking, I learnt that LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN, and the protocols like DNS, DHCP, APIPA, IMAP, POP3, and how to give a IP addressing, and in Windows administration how to add users to a domain network, and how to configure the Active Directory and Office 365, and troubleshooting the laptops, desktops, and dead laptops, how to troubleshoot blue screen errors, and TCP bar IP models. And in virtualization we learnt about a VMware workstation and how to install operating systems in workstation. And I had a great training in Evision, and it is equals to experienced people because it is a OJT training, and it is a and they will take every week mock interviews, and it is great learning here. Thank you.